Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to recover permanently deleted Snapchat account after 30 days. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If your Snapchat account was permanently deleted and it's been more than 30 days, recovery is not guaranteed, but there is still a chance, especially if Snapchat believes your account was compromised or hacked. This process cannot be done inside the Snapchat app, so the first thing you need to do is open a web browser on your iPhone, Android, or computer. In the browser, search for Snapchat Support and open the official support page for Snapchat. From the support options, choose the issue that best fits your situation. The most effective option in this case is usually "My account was compromised," because Snapchat is more likely to assist if they believe someone else accessed and deleted your account without permission. Once you're on the support form, scroll down and start filling in your details. Enter your Snapchat username, your email address, and your phone number if requested. The most important part of this form is the message section where you explain the issue. Clearly describe what happened and mention that your account was hacked and deleted without your consent. Being clear and polite improves your chances of getting a response. After filling out all the required information, submit the form at the bottom of the page. If the submit button doesn't work, double-check that every required field is filled in correctly. Once submitted, Snapchat support will review your request and may contact you by email for further verification. If you don't see the Account Compromised option, you can try alternative support paths, such as "I can't access my account was deactivated," or "My account was temporarily disabled." The goal is to reach a support ticket form where you can directly message Snapchat. You can also go to the main page and scroll down and then click on this Contact Us button, and it will take you to this page where you can further contact with Snapchat AI. After submitting your request, all you can do is wait for Snapchat's response. Recovery is not guaranteed after 30 days, but many users have successfully regained access when Snapchat confirmed suspicious or unauthorized activity on the account. And that's it. So that's basically how you can recover permanently deleted Snapchat account after 30 days. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.